Alright, good morning guys. Okay, uh, today guys will show to you my new golden orange wrap diamond guys, found in the Philippines. And before all, welcome back to my channel and good morning to each and everyone. Okay, as you have seen guys, light reflects inside this kind of our stone guys. Okay, reflecting inside. Okay, this is what you call an orange diamond. A golden orange diamond is like this. Okay, okay. You have to focus inside. Okay, I don't have light, that's why I only use a lighter, flashlight on the lighter guys. Okay, okay. That one guys, there are lights inside. Okay, okay. Actually this is 40 carats guys. Okay, remove this lighter guys. Okay, that is the appearance of our stone now. Okay, okay. We put light here, okay. Okay. Very nice to see guys. Okay, inside. Okay, okay. If for those who are diamond bars out there, okay, you can send me direct message guys. Okay, okay. The other side, I put this one in the other side, this lighter. Okay, all right. Okay, this is now the this is so beautiful to see in our naked guys. If we have to tumble this one, but I don't have an idea on how to tumble and to clean this diamond to see very much beautiful. Okay. 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 Wow, that's our golden orange diamond guys. Okay, okay. Now see the light reflects inside guys. Okay, there are so many corners inside. Okay, that is the rough diamond. There are so many corners inside, and if it is already tumbled, it's very nice to be seen in our naked eyes guys. Okay, okay. Like this. Hope there are somebody interested buyers out there. Okay. This 40 carats rough diamond. I think there are inquiries about this. It happened, he is so far from the Philippines, that's why the negotiation has not done well. Okay, okay. Our golden orange diamond guys. Okay, okay. Now remove the light there. Okay, lighter. Okay, lighter is here. Okay. Now what you have seen inside, so beautiful stones. This, if you have this in your jewelry, especially on the pendant and on your neck, on your necklace guys. Okay. Alright, if you are watching right now, please comment down. If you are interested, please send me a direct message guys. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay. Put back the flashlight. Okay. Wow, diamond. That's a real diamond. Okay. There are so many corners inside and sparkling lights. Okay. Alright, thank you very much. That's all. Good afternoon.